Alrighty, what's going on, guys? Welcome to Dub Saw Shop. Right now in the shop, we're working on a little bit different saw than typical. HT101, one of the 4-mix doohickeys, and it is a limb saw. We actually had 2 of them come in. This one's a little bit nicer one. It needed a decent tune, and she's back in action. This one here has been setting for a little while, and the carburetor had done pretty much got as hard as it could possibly get for that whole purge block or whatever. The check valves in it has done gone bad. Went to our little trusty company from Amazon, HIPAA, and ordered us a carburetor kit. Come with the gaskets, new air filter, because this air filter is pretty raunchy. We got a new fuel line, but this has got the Stihl with the little click-in insert, so we won't be using that. Came with a spark plug, fuel filter, came with a spare purge bulb, and our carburetor. The main thing you want to do is get it rich and then tune it down from there. And these things are rev limited, so they will bounce off the rev limiter and make it sound like they are rich, but they are actually lean. Alrighty, well, knew something wasn't right. The fuel lines were hooked up right, and check that fuel line out. She was collapsed, so we're gonna have to swap that out. We changed the fuel line. We went with the black Echo style fuel line. We just did a Tygon return line, and the black Echo style, that's for your tank vent. Your tank vent comes out in here and just gets sucked back into the engine. There's 2 8mm nuts that go on. Go ahead and pop our air filter in. Kids is outside riding a go-me cart. This plug looks okay, not terrible, but we'll go ahead and replace it. But yeah, the intake and exhaust valve, just make sure you're on the power stroke for the most part, and both valves get set to 4/1000ths of an inch. This thing uses a hex head adjusting tool. I'm gonna go ahead and open them about an 1/8 of a turn. Put her in start mode. Oh, I smell stink. 6 bugs. 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 6 where you need to start at. Lifting it up till you get there. There we go. See if she'll crank back up. Very nice. I think we're good to go there.
Did you show them?
No.
You need to. What video you do? I don't know what that is.
It's a pole saw.
Oh, the ones that they use for trees? Oh, alright.
Had to put the carburetor on.
Nice. Me and Mara were just wondering if you were doing a video or not. And can the video hear us screaming?
Yes. She wants me to show y'all the horizontal hustle 55. I put mine and her sticker on the side. She gave me her sticker for my birthday. So
Which was yesterday.
put that there, put the Dove sauce up there, and we put us a Area 51 alien sticker on there, and put us a red tip. For the most part, she's ready to rock.
I love it. It's my favorite one. Okay. Well, we're fine.
Alright.
We're fine.
Cool.
We're screaming of joy.
Okay.
Yeah. Love you.
Love you. Have a great upcoming rest of your weekend. Yo. We out.